What's up you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jen. If you are new, today I'm coming through with another baddie on a budget, bougie on a budget video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. If you are anything like me, you like to look luxurious and spend as less as you can. Stay tuned to see what I got.
It's better than yours. You wanna sit more on my living room floor, play Nintendo.
So, this video is sponsored by Perfect Kicks. I would like to thank them for sponsoring this video and for sending me these items because they are everything. Perfect Kicks has anything that you're looking for that is luxurious. They have bags, shoes, jewelry, anything that. Look, the website is so easy to maneuver, to look and see what you want. They have different categories. Just get on there and see what they have. The description box has all of the details and you may have a discount code as well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So the first item that I have is this Valentino earring. And look at the box. This is how it came. Everything took about 2 weeks to come. So before y'all bombard me with questions on shipping, it took about 2 weeks. And this is the little cute bag that it comes in. I love these red bags. They're so cute. So these are the Valentino logo earrings. These are so cute, you guys. Look at this. Very cute. And they're so sturdy. I love gold. I wear gold most of the time. This is so pretty. And like I said, it's very sturdy. It's not flimsy at all, so you don't have to worry about the quality of your items. I love this. Next, we have these Van Cleef Arpels. This is a necklace. I have a bunch of bracelets, so I decided to go ahead and get the necklace. And this is how the box looks. And then it comes with another box inside. So this is how it is. This is how it looks. Very pretty. I love this green. So this is the necklace, you guys. As you all know that they do have different colors in this necklace. I just got this to match this bracelet that I have on right here. This is so cute. And I love how they box everything up so neat and organized. I love that. And this is how it looks, you guys. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is the clasp. I know some people are real finicky about the clasp, so that's how it looks. Really pretty. Love it. Love it. Next, we have some Fendi earrings. I love Fendi. This is how the box looks. And let's see what we got up in here. So, these are some Fendi logo earrings. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me get it together for y'all. Gorgeous. And these are so unique. So it's 2 pieces, right? When you pull this out, it's like the back of the earring and then the part where you push it in to connect it. And it's so sturdy, y'all, like, yeah, real sturdy. So this is what I'm talking about. The first piece, push that inside of your ear, and then this is the back piece. So, you know, you connect it like that, push it in, and boom, it's in your ear. Really pretty. Look at that. And you can turn it, you know. I love these. These are so different, so unique, so cute. Love it. And last but not least, we have this Dior necklace. I love how they come with, you know, these cute little bags. They're so cute. This one actually comes wrapped up with the ribbon and everything. So nice. So that's how the box looks. And then it's wrapped up again like that. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that, y'all. It has the Christian Dior initial. And this is the gold. I think they had a rose gold, yellow gold, and then silver. Really, really nice. So pretty. I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed. Yeah, and this is the rose gold. I didn't want to get the yellow gold because it was just too yellow. I prefer the rose gold over the yellow gold. I really don't wear silver like that. So yeah, love the rose gold. It's not too shiny. It just looks real dainty and just really pretty. Love it. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed with all of these pieces that I got. These are not flimsy. I would not steer y'all wrong. Like, the quality is amazing. Shipping is not bad at all. You get all of your items in a gift bag, and then you get it in a box. So yeah, that is it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about all of these jewelry pieces. And I would like to thank y'all for watching. I would like to thank Perfect Kicks for sponsoring today's video again and for sending me these items. Y'all don't forget to click the link in the description box and use that coupon code. Until next time, bye y'all.